Hello all, welcome to Shakti's AI Junction. In this video, I'm going to talk about different APIs of OpenAI and how to make an API request to those APIs, via Google Colab and visualize those results. Let's get started. So there are many APIs have provided by OpenAI, and I have consolidated them the most used 6 APIs. Those are completions, chat, embeddings, images, audio, and moderation. So these 6 APIs, you will come across the 6 APIs in your day-to-day use cases very often. So like if you are started using OpenAI, you must come across these APIs very often. Okay, so we will see the first one, completions. Before getting started, make sure you download or you get that API key from the OpenAI website, which is the platform.openai.com account API keys, and you will get your API key. For every user account, you will get a trial version, and that is valid for 3 months or $18, I think. You can use it for some time. We will see the first API. Okay, so you have to pip install OpenAI, and you have to pass the API key here. So this is 123 is just a dummy. So I have copied my API from the OpenAI website, and I have pasted here, and I have already ran it. Okay, now we will see the first API request, which is completions. Completions is equal to OpenAI dot completion dot create a model. I'm choosing text DaVinci 003. You also have ADA babbage QE as well, and prompt write a poem about C, and I can also give OpenAI parameters. OpenAI parameters like max underscore tokens equal to 200, and temperature is equal to 0.5. I have explained already what different parameters of OpenAI in my previous videos. So we will print the responses. Completions dot choices of 0 dot text. So this completions API is useful like when you have a question that you want to ask OpenAI, you can always have this completion. This text DaVinci is the most is a powerful among its category. Like you have babbage, QD, ADA. DaVinci is most efficient when compared to them. Okay, in terms of completion. See, we got the response. Okay, now let's try for chat underscore completions. I'll copy this. Chat underscore completion dot create. Here model for chat completions. For chats, actually we have different set of models. One of them is like GPT 3.5 Turbo, and here the structure differs. Here you have to give messages in the form of list of dictionaries. Okay, so let me explain why do we need a chat completions. So this chat completions is also always useful when you have a conversational interface like ChatGPT. Okay, so when you open a ChatGPT, you are asking a question, and the OpenAI is giving the responses in the form of an interface, right? So that comes under chat completions, which and the model which is being used over there is GPT 4. Okay, so here we are using GPT 3.5 Turbo. The message is what you type over there, and the message what you receive over there. Those are all that comes under in the form of different structure. Let me type it. So you have to define what is the role and the content. You are a helpful assistant. Okay, I have to give it as a list of dictionaries. So I just copy. Okay, so here in the first dictionary message I am saying I am giving the role as a system, I am giving the content as a you are a helpful assistant, which means I am instructing the OpenAI. The first one is a system role, you act as a system and your job is to act as a helpful assistant. Okay, the next one is role user, the user question. I'll give the same question. See, okay, now this message or content. This is like a when you okay, I didn't end this. Okay, it's a list of dictionary. Okay. Okay. So when you ask a question in that ChatGPT, this is how that messages has been sent to the OpenAI API request. Like your message, whatever you type on the screen, that will be converted into this format. Like the role user content, write a poem about C. This is what the question what you give will be converted here. Okay, and this is the response. In case, see if you execute the complete, if you want to see the complete executions, you can just print whatever it is getting listed. Basically, it is a list of messages. See, here the response from the OpenAI, it will be in the form of a role assistant content. So whatever you give, role user content, and the response from OpenAI, role assistant content. Okay. And the third one is embeddings. For embedding, we do have different types of different models. I can say text embedding ADA 002 or 001, whatever. Just input this. I can just say like the movie was fantastic. My friends love it. Okay. Get of 0. Like here it's not message, it's like body. Okay, here we go. So we got the embeddings. So this is a sentence embedding. For our input message, that the movie was fantastic, my parents loved it, and it created a sentence embedding out of it. If you want to see that the length of those embeddings, basically it is a list actually. So you can just type length of so 1536. So it is a matrix of 1 by 1536. So this text embedding, what is that? This ADA 002. This model is capable of generating embeddings of 1536 dimensions. Okay. So we do in the next video we will talk about audio and moderations and other API requests. Thank you. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.